Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for glorious core software? You're in the right place. I'll show you a step-by-step process to download and install glorious core software in this video. So, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and search for glorious core software. Click on the official Glorious Gaming website from the search results. Once you're on the website, look for the Download Now button for the glorious core software and click on it. A prompt will appear asking where you want to save the setup file. Choose your preferred location and click Save. The download will begin. Wait a few moments for the download to complete. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to the folder where you saved it, and double-click the Glorious Core Setup application file to begin the installation. The setup wizard will appear. The first step is to review the license agreement. Read through it, then select I accept the agreement and click Next. Choose your installation folder. You can leave it as the default or select a new one, then click Next. Finally, click Install to start the process. Wait for the installation to finish. This might take a little while. When the installation is complete, make sure the Launch Glorious Core box is checked and click Finish. The Glorious Core software will launch. It's always a good idea to ensure you're running the latest version. In the software, look for the settings icon, usually a gear, and click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Otherwise, you're ready to start using Glorious Core to customize your peripherals. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.